Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this tutorial, I will show you how to solve this problem. Then you want to open the word, a drop of word, or extra, and we see this everything. If means blue to the services, you disable or disable the reason. So you need to go to services. And open it. I already opened it, so go to Microsoft Office 2017 and you can see it. Right clicking on it or double clicking on it. From here to upload it. Set by the password. Click the plan. Okay. What you learn? Word. Or any other lecture. This service is required to open. The problem has been solved. This way you can solve the problem. Describe the channel and thank you for watching the video.